Oh my god. We about to grab.
Fly to the city so we can get litty again. You know what happens when I get to drinking with all of my friends. I get so drunk.
Oh. Well, you guys know.
Anyways. Hey, bitch. I'm just kidding. That's kind of aggressive. I'm sorry. What's up, y'all? I don't know what this is gonna be. If it's gonna be a weekend in my life, a week in my life, I don't know, but we're gonna make something out of it because the bestie's here. We're about to go to the mall. We're gonna go get taiyaki. I think that's how you say it. This shit is like Nutella little fish, so fucking good, and she's never tried it, so she's gonna try it today. Also, oh, Sephora, I need to return some shit from Sephora. So that's the deal.
Oh my gosh, it's so good. Oh, I love this song. Me, fast.
Remember when we were crying? Oh my god, when we got broken up with the same fucking day?
I remember that day.
Stupid, I was foolish, I was lying to myself. I can't sleep at night when you are on my mind.
Low key, wait. No, dead ass, because we got broken up with the same fucking day, and I drove 2 hours to see this bitch, and then I picked her up, and we came back over here, no?
Huh?
I think we came over here for a little bit. Or we were chilling over there.
Well, that was when we were over here, and then wait.
No, I went her love. I was like,
yeah, I remember that.
Dude, yeah. I don't remember. I think we lasted like a day. Right? I think we got back together with them like maybe a few days. I don't remember.
I don't even know.
I don't know, but it was a sad day.
I remember that shit though.
Gotta give a gang proper spirit so she get it as she is. I gotta stop her. When the sunshine will shine together, I'll always be your friend.
Such a pretty day though, for real. Dude, I swear this is the only mall I ever come to. That's so funny. In all my videos, if I'm at the mall, it's definitely this one. Bae, if you're watching this. Ooh, that is actually hella cute. Huh? If anyone wants to buy me anything for my birthday, you already know. Size 6.5 youth.
Okay.
These are hella cute too. Do they never have my sizes and everything? I'm returning my stuff. Well, I did return my stuff, but they gave me store credit. $90 of store credit, bitch. I need that money for like something else. Crying for 3 items. Just 3. But you know, we'll cry about it later. Literally. Now we're at Pink. It's the, how is it Pink Friday then? If it's all weekend.
Dude, I don't know.
I'm confused. You see, it's those little fish. You can fill it with anything, yeah. Oh, they even have Oreo now.
Oh, no.
Good though? Ah!
I didn't even get no Nutella.
But is the bread good?
Oh, that shit is hot as fuck.
It's hot?
It's good, but it's hella hot.
But is it like good?
Yeah, I think I burned my tongue.
Ew, bitch, the way the way we just went in for the fucking fish, bitch. Like we were gonna catch it or something.
Show you.
Okay.
How much I appreciate you. I hate being apart. Show you. It's really all the time. See, ooh, baby. See, I don't know about y'all, but I know about us. And it's the only way we know how to.
Ow, bitch. Morning, y'all. Oh my god, this lighting is terrible. I promise we will not be in here long. But my hair looks stupid, but I have like no time. It's 9:40 in the morning. I kind of woke up later than I wanted to. I'm looking for my shoes, by the way. But we're gonna set y'all up right here real quick in the kitchen. Good morning. I don't know what else I got yesterday. To be honest, we really just came home after the mall. Damn bitch. I just put lotion on. Well, Vaseline. We really was just kicking it, and we started watching Married at First Sight, and that shit was crazy. Did I say I'm going out to eat with my mom? I don't know if I said that, but we're going to breakfast, so I'm meeting her at IHOP, I think, and I'm excited because I haven't had IHOP in forever. But anyways, let me go. Okay, yeah, I just made it to IHOP. Oh, people, and now mom's is already in there. My stomach is kind of hurting, and I want to fix my hair, but there's like nothing to do. Oh my god, I couldn't even do my part right. To be honest, I didn't even really part it. Bring my tripod with me because I'm not gonna film much because we're about to eat. But I want to see if I can find her. Ew, people are looking at me. Like what? She said, oh look, I think she's right there. See if she can hear me. Oh my mom! She never pays attention to me, yeah. Hi. Good morning. Can I do an iced water and a hot chocolate, please?
Yeah, would you like whipped cream?
Yes. Thank you.
Did you come from cleaning?
From sleeping? Yeah. I was like, so what is this party where I throw you to the grass? Yeah.
The fantasy football guy.
So it's fake, basically.
Yeah. But it's fun.
Bitch, what the fuck? Come on, friend. Good boy. It's kind of an ugly angle. We're gonna have to work with it. Good morning, y'all. It's 7:30 in the freaking morning. I'm low-key late. So I was supposed to leave by 7, but Mr. Prince over here in the back just never want to go on time. Like, I be taking him outside and he be wanting to play. Like, we don't got time for that. So I'm on my way right now. Oh, I'm so excited. Today's Monday, the August 8th. That's crazy. So happy Monday, y'all. And I'm on my way to go drop Prince off because I don't know if y'all probably don't care, but it'll make sense. I'm gonna drop him off with my brother. Today I go to work until about like 10 or 11 in the morning. And then I'm getting my tattoo today. Yeah, I'm getting a back piece and I'm actually so excited. Where are you going? Prince, come here. Come here. Hello. I'm hella scared. Yeah, I like that. I do.
I'm trying to zoom out. I'm bad cameraman.
I'm just doing. I'm acting like I've never got a tattoo before.
Hold on, ready. You ready for this?
Okay, you cheers. Okay. Weekday date.
That's good, but I feel like it's too good to be true.
Too good to be true, huh?
Not bad.
Is that right in the middle?
I don't know where that's at. Okay, I feel it. I'm scared of the flowers. That's what I'm scared of.
Yeah.
I'll never see you.
But for a lot of people, like the spine is totally fine, but then when you get to like the outside areas, that might be where all your nerves are running
gosh.
on the outside.
That's the side.
Ow!
Maybe we should look
Oh my god.
more at the apartment situation.
I'm really excited. Excitement is
Krishna.
planning a picture.
Can you see? I'm tired of flipping the
I would just hope you could.
She was shut out her and the child entirely. So I think
Last week, like, I was not feeling very good about her.
oh, the camera's gonna die. Oh, focus.
It's really quiet.
Cute.
Yes.
Oh my gosh! That's hella cute! Hella cute!
That's cute.
I think it was worth it. Oh, my camera's about to die. What's up, y'all? So it's 5. No, it's 4:30. Just kidding. And that took two and a half hours, right? We started at like 2.
Yeah.
Anyways, pain 9 out of 10 for sure. I've never screamed that much during an appointment, but I didn't cry, so I think that's what matters. That's like a pat on the back for that, because you know. It's a little bit dark in here, but good morning. Good morning. It's the morning. We worked this morning, that's why she's hella tired, but I just showered, so I feel like, you know. This is day 2. Can I see a little bit?
If you stand up more straight, there you go.
Oh,
There you go.
day 2. I washed it this morning, or what? Right now, when I took a shower, didn't hurt as bad. When she put the like tattoo bomb thing over it, it kind of did hurt. Yeah. Oh, I also scratched it this fucking morning, and I almost cried on accident. I got like super itchy, and I forgot. Now we're about to go on a little road trip, so 2 hours in the fucking car with me driving like this because I can't really like touch the back seat. So we'll see how that goes. But I was trying to say that I don't know if I'm gonna take my camera because I'm really just going back home to drop her back off, really just chill. So we'll see. Update y'all. I'll probably see y'all tomorrow because tomorrow's Wednesday. I get my hair done. Oh my gosh, I really feel like I just need to talk because I'm going back home. Sorry for the dusty hat. I'm not, whatever. I don't have my camera, so I'm not on my phone, but I really just need to stop fucking crying. So I feel like if I put out the camera, I would stop. It's like I have so much anxiety and stress right now. I'm like, I don't even know where to start because I don't even know what the fuck is happening. But basically, I just had a certain plan to move. And that plan is kind of like dead now. And I'm supposed to move like pretty soon. So I'm just really stressed out. And I just, yeah. So I couldn't really sleep that much. Oh my god, this is so dirty. I'm so sorry. I haven't had a car wash my whole life. Right now this feels like too chaotic for me. If you're seeing this, I guess it was decent footage. I'm literally the same clothes as I was yesterday. I got this boring ass 2-hour drive. I had to meet by myself. So I'm gonna try not to cry no more. I just started like 10 minutes ago and I was already crying. But we'll see. It's 6:55 and we're on our way to, oh, look at my hair. Trying to find good lighting, but it's not really working out for me right now. This is my hair. It's giving cute. It's giving fresh. But we're on our way to meet my brother right now. Yeah. Ooh. I'm out of breath.
Where are you going with that? With her?
Yeah.
Wait, are you recording right now?
Y'all, we're here. Crawfish King, the best seafood boil in Seattle. Her. Y'all, I'm about to put y'all on. This is my favorite like flavor, I guess. So Raging Cajun, level 2 to start. And we begin, where's that? Snow crab, king crab, corn. Where are the potatoes at? Oh, they're right there. Potatoes. And sometimes we begin the lobster tails too. Here. We about to grab the aftermath per usual. Good morning, y'all. It's 8:45 and I'm low-key late. I'm getting ready to go to work. I got lashes on it right now, but this is my favorite moisturizer, bro, the Neutrogena Hydro Boost. Okay, y'all, weird ass angle. Hold on. This is not cute. I have so much trash. It's gonna be dark for a while, I'm sorry, but I have so much freaking trash in my back seat and it's kind of embarrassing. My fat self. I just ate this today though. This was not in my car, okay? So don't come for me. I just got done with my doctor's appointment though, and I had to like lay on like the little bed thingy or whatever. So I put on a sweater because that kind of screams germs to me, even though I'm positive they clean it, but still.
She was nervous, now she's squirting on my lap. Sometimes it be hard to express all these emotions. Promise I'm a hot girl, I do hot shit. I'm an open book, and your man probably read it. Look at my
go ahead. Go. Oh, you fancy, huh? Oh, you fancy. Done here, done everything.
What's a wheel and what's a tire? Is the wheel like the rim part or like... Bitch, I really don't know. Because I kind of want them shined. Oh my gosh, am I gonna break this?
See?
Oh shit, I didn't get it.
It's alright, I'll go get it.
Thank you. Thank you so much, I totally forgot.
It's alright. People do it all the time.
What's the deal? Oh no.
That's a downgrade and you know it.
I'm on my way to go meet moms at a cafe and I'm so excited because I saw that they have acai, whatever bowls.
A woman with a future and a past. A little attitude, prop out good and make shit last. Catch up that chick by her toe. She's indecisive. She can't decide. Can I?
Find my mom. Where? Girl, I don't think you're at the right spot. There's like no sight of her. So I'm like, where are you at? She's like, I'm outside. I'm like, no you're not, I'm outside. Anyways, so she went to the wrong cafe. Now I'm going to her. Change of plans again. We're back to where we were supposed to go.
Oh my gosh, bro.
Well, welcome to my life as of lately. I really chose a great week to film a week in my life, huh? This is the fourth breakdown of the week, but the second one that y'all have seen, I think, if I end up putting the other stuff, if I even end up putting this in, I don't know. Okay, future me, I'm watching this back and at first, like the first little clip was low-key kind of funny because why do I look like that? But then I kept watching the rest of the footage and damn bitch, I'm kind of sad. Like, I want to put like a little disclaimer or whatever that I'm not putting this in the video for pity or for like none of that. I always film this, y'all just don't know this because I never put it in, but that's kind of like how I vent because I have no friends. But I just decided to put it in because I mean I just gotta keep it real now because everybody goes through shit, okay? We all vent different ways, and yeah, so I just wanted to say that. But I look sad as fuck. I'm sorry. Just wanted to say that you are not alone, and I hope that everything gets better. So excited because I know there's light. I know that there's light at the end of that tunnel. I'm just trying to get there. I hope that you all do too if you're struggling with something. I think I'm okay now. Can't promise that I won't cry again in like 5 minutes. Good morning, y'all. This is gonna be a weird angle, but I'm sorry. I left my tripod in the car and I don't have anything else right now. But it's the next day. I'm feeling a lot better. And today we got things to do today, baby girl. As you can tell, I'm ready. I think this is the first time I've been ready this whole vlog. So sorry about that. But right now I'm taking my hair out these braids because we're about to do a little photo shoot for some of the shampoos. For the shampoo that I sell. If you don't know, I sell purple shampoo. It's imported from Mexico and it's available on Amazon. So the link is always in my bio. So if y'all are ever interested, if you have bleached blonde hair or if you just have some yellow like brassy tones in your hair that you want to like get out, the purple shampoo is good for that. Anyway, so yeah, today's just mainly like a content day, so yeah. Oh, let's see. Okay.
Hey vlog.
I'm so excited. Look at my outfits. I got them from Cancun.
You didn't get me none? How cute.
No, I got them for free.
With who? How?
It's because I spent a certain amount and they're like, here, free shot glasses. And I was like, period.
I've been needing some shot glasses. I need to just go on vacation and buy shot glasses.
These are doubles, no?
Oh? No, I think this is just a shot.
Because I think you're lying.
No, dude, I swear.
Dude, but this one's way shorter.
No, it's just the...
That's not fair.
Isn't that how that works? It's the volume of the glass. Like, each of these are still a shot, but it's just the volume of the way the glass is.
There's double shots.
Those might
This
be
is gonna spill, I already know.
Oh no,
Dude,
that was a single one.
This one is a single.
And the little one's a single. What?
So these are doubles or not?
Yeah.
Pour this one into that one.
Those are double.
See, I told you. Ooh, wait. Girl, what the? I didn't always see it. You're done. I think she's cut already.
I didn't.
Yeah, it's 8:49 in the freaking morning. I'm definitely feeling just gross, basically. Anyways, I'm gonna shower and get ready, and then I'll get back to y'all probably in the car with my brother. He's lucky I love him because I would not be up right now if it was anybody else. Look at how cute.
Hi vlog. Hi vlog.
He's about to go get tatted. We're on our way to McDonald's real quick because he hasn't ate. And ew, I don't really like McDonald's, but I'm hella hungry. What?
The breakfast is fire.
Really? I'll take this off right now, y'all.
I'm gonna just take one shot now.
Oh my gosh. Ugh.
For those of you who don't know, squirt. Get on this. Cute viewing teacher.
I know that one. Number 10.
Yeah. 10.
Justin.
Yeah.
I don't know the last name. It's like H something.
Yeah. You there?
Something like that.
Herbert.
Herbert. Oh my gosh. Dang, yours is huge.
Hey, first one gotta go in.
This is a perfect angle right here. You see it?
Yeah. Get some pain in my life, so we'll be alright.
It's pretty trippy because you hit certain spots and you don't realize how many different types of canyons there are.
Amelia and I are.
How does the white feel?
That's good.
Really? I don't like it.
No, oh, that's good.
80% of people love the cold white. And that 20% is the fucking worst out of all of it.
I like.
They are usually more cold-blooded, the people that don't like it, because
The worst part about it is taste the ink.
Trying to be more physically intimate and for her to come over to my house and look around and figure out how we can move things in. What's your mom?
Stress of being in lockdown.
Get the cord.
For real, come on.
So we ain't done yet, but this is what it's looking like so far. And I'm hungry.
going and everything, it wears on you, so.
Fly to the city so we can get